In this video, we're going to be installing our 4.5 foot tall aluminum fence. We call it the Handy Andy, directly in front of our Curious George. Let's get started. Before we drive our pipe anchor into the ground, we're going to position our donut over the top of the pipe. That way, if the pipe anchor gets mushroomed during install, we can still position the donut where necessary. Today we're going to be using our gas-powered post pounder to drive our pipe anchor into the ground.